Howdy folks, it's Alfred. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and install software on your macOS device. Now, to find software, all you'll have to do is open your Launchpad. The Launchpad can be found in the dock. Upon clicking the Launchpad, all of your applications will be presented to you across the screen. Please take note, there are multiple pages. Something you're looking for may not be on the first page. For example, Word and Excel are pushed out to the devices, but they take some time to install, so they may end up later on in the list. Now, let's say I want to download something to my MacBook. If we launch the Manager app, we'll be greeted with a window. We're going to click on the Self-Service option. This brings up a list of all of the software maintained by the district. Looks like my thumbnails aren't working. I'm going to click that Update button. Now, all of these applications are managed by the district. We've added them to this list after we've gotten a number of requests from staff members. If you're looking for specific software for a specific use case that may not be very present, it's likely not in here. However, if you and your peers are using a certain software product quite often, by all means, submit a technology ticket and let us know that we should consider adding it to the self-service store. Now, of course, if you need software from the store, all you have to do is click on the Install button underneath of it. Everything happens in the background. You can see I've already installed everything available here. I'll reinstall Adobe Acrobat Reader here just to show it. So upon clicking the Reinstall Update button, the command is sent to my device. If you've never installed it before, you'll see a progress bar. From here, no further input is required. You'll find your application in the Launchpad once it's finished installing. You can see I already have Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. If I want this in my dock, I could simply click and drag it down there.